Hello my friends, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about delta H. We are going to find out energy change. This topic is important for IGCSE and CBSE grade 10th and grade 12th exam. So we have one question, and in that question we are going to calculate how to find out the delta H, that is energy change in the reaction. So we have here there is one problem, that is ammonia reacts with oxygen and forming, see this is 4 mole of ammonia reacts with 5 mole of oxygen, forming 4 mole of NO and 6 mole of water. Based on this, there is one table is given, that is bond energy is provided. For example, NH bond energy is given, that is 391. Then oxygen, the bond energy is given 498, and NO, its a bond energy is 587, and OH, the bond energy is 464. So means that bond energy means that we require 391 kilojoule of energy to break this bond, or whenever this NO bond forms, this much of energy is released. So whenever we have a reactant, in case of reactant, energy required to break the bonds, and in case of product, energy is released whenever product forms. So based on this, let us see this question, energy needed to break bonds. So we have to find out how much amount of energy is required to break these bonds in the reactant only, not in case of product. So in reactant we have a NH and we have a O, means the O oxygen double bond. So we have to find out here, there are 3 NH bond. We can find out 1, 2, 3. So I have written it here 3 NH, but there is total overall it is a 4 mole. So 4 multiplied by 3 into NH. NH energy is given, that is 391. So we have to write it here, plus there is only one, I can say that 5 mole of O oxygen is there. So we have to write in this way, and its energy is also given, that is 498. So 5 into 498 we can calculate, and we are getting 782 kilojoule. So this much amount of energy is needed to break this bond. Now next one, they are asking energy released when bonds are formed. So let us check it here. We have a NO and there is a 2 OH, because in water you can check it here, there are 2 OH, one is this, another is this. So that's why I have written it here 4 NO plus 6 multiplied by 2 OH, because OH is, there is 2 OH bond in water, and value is already given. So for this one, its a value is 487, and OH it's a 464. So when we multiply and add it, we are getting 7916. Now at the end they are asking energy change, find out the energy change. So energy change is equal to energy required to break bonds minus energy released when bonds are formed. In other words, we can say that delta H is reactant energy, that is reactant require energy minus product. So that here I have taken it 7182, this one for reactant, and 7916, that is for product. So we are getting minus 734. Minus sign indicates that this reaction is exothermic reaction, means energy, more amount of energy is released. And they are asking here, we have to find out delta H only for 1 mole. We have calculated this for 4 mole, because see here it is written 4 mole. Okay, so they are asking only for 1 mole of ammonia. So that's why we have divided this minus 734 divided by 4. 4 is the coefficient of ammonia, and we will get here that value minus 183.5 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so thank you so much.